Hey pre-K, Miss A here, and let's have another directed draw lesson today. We've been talking a lot about zoo animals, so I thought it would be fun if we draw a lion today. Okay? A lot of detail here, so let's see what we can do. Okay, get your paper and your pencil, and let's get started. We're going to start with the lion's face. And we're going to draw a large rectangle, 4 sides, 4 vertices, but it's different than a square. Can you tell me why? Okay. So a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Ready? Go. Okay, now let's go ahead and draw the lion's ears right at the very top in the corners. One ear here, one ear. Ready? Go to work. You can let her out. My doggy wants to come out and play. Come on, hey Abby. Okay, let's get the eyes. We're gonna draw 2 circles again at the top, kind of like we've done with our other drawings as well. So 2 circles at the very top. Let's have them touch. Mine's a little off center, but that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna color in my eyes. Remember, I have my marker, so I'm gonna go ahead and color them in, but we always color after we're done drawing. Okay. Okay, we're gonna draw the nose next. It's going to be a triangle, 3 sides, 3 vertices, and the triangle is actually going to be pointing downward, okay? So I'm gonna draw a line. I'm going right under the eyes. A line and 2 diagonal lines meeting. So it's a triangle, but it's upside down. Now from the nose at the very bottom, the bottom of the triangle, I want you to draw just a short line and stop. Don't draw the line all the way to the bottom, just a short little line. Okay, good job. From here, 2 diagonal lines. I'm gonna start right here at the line, and I'm gonna go from here to this corner, okay? See if I can kind of, see how I did that? And go back to the line, and you're going to draw a diagonal to this corner. There you go. You can kind of tell what it's starting to become. All right, here, this is our mouth of the lion, but he needs teeth. So I'm going to make smaller triangles within, okay? So on this side, I'm gonna make 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got sharp teeth. And on the other side, I'm going to draw 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. A lot of teeth. How many teeth do we have so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I want to have a total of 10 teeth. How many more do I need to make 10? That's right, we need 2 more. So let's draw 2 more at the bottom. Triangles again. 1, 2. Yeah, looking pretty good. Okay, he needs his whiskers. 3 on this side, 3 on this side, a total of 6. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Okay. The last part, it's going to be kind of fun. It is going to be the mane all around his rectangular face. I'm going to take my paper off the clipboard really quick so I can draw. I'm going to use my marker right now, and I'm going to just make lots, let's see if I can get started, lots of lines. You think I should stop right here? Nah, I need to keep going all the way around. And then when we color, I'm going to show you the colors I used. And what do we always talk about? When we talk about colors, we say we're going to use realistic colors. I can kind of turn my paper a bit if I want to. Okay, so I just made a bunch of lines, but I am not done. Far from it, because now I need to color. Okay, I'm going to put my marker away, and I'm going to use, I chose yellow for the face. I don't need black right now. Oh yeah, I have black and brown and a lot of orange. So for the mane, I'm going to use some orange, brown, and yellow. And I'm just gonna do lots of lines all over his mane. And I'm gonna use, and I'm just kind of doing a lot of lines, so I can kind of come in and color it again later. So I have a lot of orange, all right? I'm gonna use some brown too. So this is what you can do. You can use different colors. The lion it would be a challenge to use watercolors on this one. So crayons or markers will probably be your best bet. Okay, so I'm gonna use a lot of brown, just doing a lot of lines. I'm gonna put my brown away, some yellow, just kind of coloring them. Takes a while. And you can keep going over and over and over if you would like. So, you can use a lot more, okay? Still not done. Now I'm gonna color the face, his nose, his ears, and the inside of his mouth. I cannot wait to see your lion today. All right, bye guys.